I am relating to judicial proceedings and the administration of the law. My name is Advocate Rohim Chaudhary, LLB LLM 2016-17 batch from ICSTU, and I am 35 years older unmarried citizen. I live with my parents and elder brother in Gobra, Gopalganj. My father name is MD, late MD Inayat Hossain Chaudhary. He is a businessman and work hard of sustaining the family. My mother name is MST Nasima Begum. She looks after the house and need of the family members. I have my own business from which I can support my family, inshallah. Gobra city is a major center for the technology university. Gobra city is a metropolitan city with people from different ethnic and cultural background. I love my city and its people for their my pride and identity.